In last video, we discussed about what features Eazybe is offering for individuals. In that video, we get many comments like what dedicated features Eazybe is offering for organizations for both large-scale and mid-scale organizations. So we are here again to tell you about what dedicated features Eazybe is offering for organizations. So let's start the video. This is our WhatsApp web and this is our Eazybe extension. So first feature is CRM integration. You will see an integration option inside tools. Just click on it and these are our CRM which we can integrate with our WhatsApp, HubSpot, Google Sheet, Bittrex24, Freshdesk, Zoho and Webhooks. How can we do it? Just click on connect. Okay, so I have already connected my HubSpot and all the CRMs we have connected will appear here. So I just click on HubSpot and I will see there are so many options like user profile, task, notes, deals and tickets. We can update all these things from here, WhatsApp only, and it will automatically be updated in HubSpot. For example, if we want to create a ticket, so we can just click on new ticket, suppose tech issue, and we can select a pipeline, support pipeline, ticket status is new, ticket description if we want, and also we can add priority, whether the ticket is of low priority, medium priority, high priority, and we can save a ticket, and that ticket will automatically be updated in HubSpot website. So this contact will also be inside HubSpot. So how can we find it? Just click here on view contact on HubSpot and the contact details of that particular number in HubSpot will appear here. So these are the simple steps by which we can create notes, mails, calls, meeting tasks inside HubSpot directly from WhatsApp. So we can also integrate Google Sheet and other options like that. Our second feature is team inbox. So team inbox is we have to click on organization and our Eazybe workspace will open for that particular company and where we can monitor the chats of all the employees inside team inbox. So here you can see this is our workspace in which our teams and also all the employees we have added will appear here. So where is our team inbox option? On left side, we will see a team inbox option. Just click on it and here you can see all the chats will appear here. If we want to see the chat of a particular person, just click on all employee, untick select all and tick the employee which we want to see the chat. Suppose this person, I can also open all the chats and user profile, follow-up, task and all the notes will be visible to me. Also labels and funnels will be visible to me. So here this is for monitoring the chats of the employees or our sales team so that we have all the specific details of the chats with the customer. Also other thing is our dashboard in which we can monitor the chats with our number system. So you can see total messages sent, total clients, all these things will be visible here. We can also see this for a particular one person, suppose for this one, and all the messages sent, total number of clients, total activity last he is online, and all the message schedules, which integration he has added inside his system will be visible here. Also, this you can see last chat synced. These chats will be backup and synced in Google Drive and be visible here in Team Inbox. So this is our Team Inbox feature, which is very helpful for organization. And these two are the features which is very useful for companies, and these features are the features which companies are basically searching for. Other than that, Eazybe is also offering some other features which can be beneficial for organizations like labels and funnels. We can create custom labels and funnels according to our requirement from here, and also broadcasting of messages in which we can broadcast same message to many persons at the same time. We just have to make a quick reply, select the label in which we want to broadcast that message and click on select, and that message will be sent to many people at the same time. Also, quick replies here, we can make personal or shared quick reply from here. Personal quick replies are those replies which will be visible to us only, and shared quick replies are those replies which will be shared with the organization. So here, another feature is scheduler in which we can schedule a message for a particular time. Suppose we want to schedule a message to a person, suppose happy birthday. So we can schedule that message by selecting date and time. We can write our message here, suppose happy birthday. Also, we can repeat that message every year, every week, every month by clicking on custom recurrence. Suppose we want to repeat happy birthday message every year. So we will select one, repeat every year and schedule it. So that message will be scheduled for that particular time and it will appear here like that. We can also edit that message. We can set that message at this particular time and we can also cancel this message. So these are the features which Eazybe is offering for organizations, which is very helpful for increasing productivity and increasing the organization